So in this question, you're given that you have a wheel which is rotating at a rate of 360 rotations per minute. If that is so, how many radians does the wheel rotate in 1 second? That's the question. So first, from the given information, the speed of the wheel is, angular speed of the wheel is 360 rotations per minute. And we know that each rotation constitutes 2 pi radians. So the angular velocity of the wheel is 360 into 2 pi radians per 1 minute. So that is nothing but 360 into 2 pi radians per 1 minute is nothing but 60 seconds, right? So 60 gets cancelled 6 times, that is equal to 12 pi radians per second. That means the wheel turns through an angle of 12 pi radians in 1 second. So that's the answer to this question.